dear parents, is your kid scared of doing math problems? No worries, Annie, as we have our expert trainers to solve this problem using Abacus. What is Abacus? Abacus is a tool which is used to simplify the toughest problem, and it can be solved in fraction of seconds. Abacus will activate both the sides of the brain. It will also improve the concentration, the focus of the kids. Also, it will enhance the speed of calculation. Altogether, it will improve the self-confidence of the kids. But why to join Delighted Gems? Because we are having fun learning classes, many mind game activities, and tongue twisters, and many fun loving things which are used to teach the abacus and the calculation. So come and join Delighted Gems.